Okay, come along with me as I make some fossils and talk about the process. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs roamed the earth. How do we know this? Well, they left behind what we call fossils. Fossils can be actual bones, teeth, and shells of animals. These are called body fossils. Other clues like footprints, skin imprints, and even dinosaur poop are called trace fossils. And yes, even dinosaur poop has a fancy name, coprolite. Now, not every animal becomes a fossil. For fossilization to happen, special things need to occur after an animal dies. So, how does it work? After a dinosaur dies, the soft parts of its body, like its skin and muscles, start to rot or get eaten by other animals. Usually, only the hard parts, like the bones and the teeth, are left behind. Before the bones and teeth can disappear, they get covered in layers of mud and sand or silt. This happens quickly, especially if the animal lived near water. Over time, more and more layers of sediment, which is the fancy word for that mud, sand, and silt, pile on top of the bones. These layers press down and harden into rock, squishing the ones below. Water slowly seeps into the bones. This water is full of teeny tiny minerals that basically turn the bone into stone over a long time. This process is called permineralization. Fossils give us clues about the past, so next time you see one, remember, it's like holding a piece of history in your hands. First, start off with a large mixing bowl. Get a half a cup of used coffee grounds and a half a cup of salt. Get a fourth a cup of cold coffee, you can get this from your parents, and a half a cup of flour. Mix, mix, mix. It might take a while. Get a tray lined with wax paper and roll the dough into some balls. Flatten them out until they're half an inch thick. This is an Ankylosaurus toy. They lived in the Cretaceous era. This is a T-Rex toy. They also lived in the Cretaceous era. I'm using this to add some footprints. And this is how it came out. Let it dry for around a day, and when it's hardened, you have a fossil.